I'm scared. Okay.
Okay.
So-
Okay. I need you to try one cigar special.
Okay.
That's it for the ladies.
I've never ever
Oh.
smoked a cigar in my life.
All the time. Sometimes, you know, the people come in, the men is more smoking, come in with their wife or girlfriend and say, I give you one surprise. Lady, try this. If you don't like, give me back. But that's just for ladies cigar exclusive. It's smoking like a cigarette, no water.
Do I inhale it?
Yeah, this is because that's not too
I
much.
can't-
Yeah, you can.
Okay. I like it. I like
Yeah,
it.
You know,
It has a very good taste. It's not too strong. How am I? Should I be holding this a certain way?
Yeah.
I only know how to hold a cigarette.
That's right here.
I like this. I like it. So, what is the best cigar that you have in this building?
you have different best because if you have this question for me, my best cigar is when you try cigar and you think, wow, it's good.
Now, if we can take a little tour to see all of the cigars that you have to offer.
Okay, the fair we present here. And you have here the cigar house. You have good quality of cigar here. For example, these cigars is you have here on the back, the cigar, you have the year, the name with people made the cigar with tobacco. Tobacco 100% Dominican with capote, the wrapper with Conérico. That's it, the 2020 May, and the wrapper is the 2094. In 1994. It's the tobacco. You have different lane, you have full body, you have mala, you have strong cigar, and different cigar. In this line, you have all the cigar from Cuba. You have Cohiba, Trinidad, Montecristo, Romeo y Julieta. In this area, you have Davidoff, is Dominican cigar. We have there Montecristo. You have the national cigar here, Classics cigar, Céspede, and you have different kind of cigar here. Here you have one cigar exclusive with the house, the shop, Papyrus. We have Papyrus mild, strong, and medium. We have here Bohemio cigar exclusive cigar. And this is short cigar bandolero, for the people who has time of smoking cigar with 20-25 minutes. And you have Galera, this is exclusive cigar, it's not and you have opposites Arturo Fuentes, all cigars in the world. You have Fuente cigars. You have beans, Double Robusto. You have heavy gray cigars. You have Magna. You have Don Diego and other Dominican cigar coming with Arturo. Montecristo, Romeo y Julieta, Latino. I asked you before video about the collection, the different collection Placense. Nicaragua Rustico. And this guy Brazil, Count. With Davidoff Millennium. We have Arturo Fuente, and Marmo, Carlos Brugal, in this edition.
Is this something that's Dominican?
Yeah.
Carlos Brugal is like a Dominican.
It's the same with the Ron family.
Okay.
That's the LLD, a Pro Dominicano, the collection. You have Pecafina. That's the cigar, the first fabric of cigar in the Dominican Republic, La Aurora, Leon Jimenez. You have all the cigar with the fabric. It's the first fabric in Dominican Republic. Well, I was Jimenez, La Aurora, and the San Juan with the different brand. We got two, La Aurora 2 here. And that's a new cigar for the country when it's Valentino Siesto and good quality cigars.